Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't joined the Black Envy movement, what are you doing? Click the subscribe button right now and click the notification bell just to make sure you get notified every time I post a new video. So today we're going to keep it short, we're going to keep it sweet, we're going to keep it simple, and I'm just going to show you how I am basically removing my wig, putting on a new one, and how I get that silk press look on this wonderful wig of mine. I left this wig air dried after deep conditioning it and just really wanted a really sleek, straight look. So today I'm going to show you a few tips on what I do just to achieve this look. So as you can see right now, I'm spraying a cloth with alcohol. I put alcohol in there because I just like to spray on the cloth, and I'm just gently rubbing on the lace just so I can lift the wig up so it doesn't pull any of my hair. So that's all you see me doing until it just comes off, just like so. Now we got that out the way, I'm just going to clean that area, remove some of the product just to prep it for my next install. And I'm going to be using this jam to relay my edges because I don't use adhesive to lay my wigs down, so I can get away with just using jam, and it's not as hard as edge control, if that makes sense. It's more gentle. And then I'm just going to apply the black bottle of Got2b gel over it just to lock it, because you know jam does curl right there. Ooh, you feel me? So we need to make sure them sides are laid. Now I'm going to be using my yellow bottle Got2b gel, and I'm just going to apply it all over my hairline because that's what's going to be like the base foundation of my install, just to get that flawless look as if I'm using adhesive. I know a lot of people always ask, like, how do you lay your wigs? Like, how do you keep it on? I'm like, that's it. That's all I do. To be honest, guys, as shocking as it may be, I've never, ever in my life have applied adhesive or lace glue, whichever you want to call it, to my scalp to install my wig ever. I've done it on people, I still do it on people, but on myself, I've never installed my wig with glue. Fun fact. But I can start doing it just for reviews if y'all want, but I personally don't feel like I need to because my wigs don't stay on for that long. So as you can tell, I used my foundation brush I used earlier and just applied a little makeup on the lace because I just washed my wig, and sometimes with transparent lace it just looks kind of ashy, so we got to make sure that thing looking good, looking right. So the gel is a little tacky, so I'm just gonna basically plop that wig on and just allow it to just at least hold the wig in place until I use my Got2b spray to spray it over. Now, just to really seal the deal and have this wig melted to the skies, I'm making sure that this Got2b spray is really allowing it to actually sit the way it needs to sit. Now we got the wig laid. We're gonna verify, make sure every tab on this wig is laid, okay? Because we need to make sure this install is a flawless install for the girls, okay? Or me and my homegirls ain't gonna be happy, okay? Just because we're not using adhesive doesn't mean this can't be a flawless install. So now I'm parting my hair in the middle because I'm really feeling a Naomi Campbell statement and Naomi Campbell vibes, you feeling me? Just something sleek, you know, in the middle, sexy, feel me? Not too much, not too va-la-voom. Now I'm using some wrapping lotion, molding my hair. I know a lot of people use hot combs, which might be a better option, but I just feel better using a wrapping lotion. That's just me. I feel like it gets the job done just as well. So right now, you know, I'm pulling out my baby hairs, about to mold them. Okay, since my hair is molded to the part, and just a swoop, swoop, swoop. Yes. And even though this is gonna be a milk part, I don't want to do too much with the baby hair, so we're gonna just keep it light, keep it sweet, keep it. After spraying my heat protectant, always make sure you use heat protectant because at the end of the day, it's still real hair. So I'm detangling it, prepping it for a press out. I like to use a rat tail comb. Now, the key to really having a nice, sleek, non-flyaway hair look, you need hairspray. Not a lot, but you need hairspray. Every section, you want to make sure your hairspray is at least, you know, an arm stretch away, and you lightly spritz one pump on each section. You make sure you comb it through, and then you pass the flat iron. And I'm telling you right now, your hair is going to be straight. And yes, it will still have body, it will still have movement. Okay, it will not be hard because remember, it will be an arm stretch away. And that is one of the keys to having a really silky silk press on your wig. Also, another key to a very nice silk press is that you want to make sure you're using a really good flat iron, not them $10 flat irons, not the ones you get at Ross, not the ones you get at whatever local department store, them really cheap ones, but a real titanium plate. Trust me, that will change your life, change your game. And I will be linking the flat iron I'm using in this video because I really rep this whole collection and it deserves a standing ovation. I will have a whole video on that, as well as to also get the look. Make sure your wig is freshly washed, no product, just like you're still pressing your real hair. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was good for the girls. Look at that. Yes, movement. Yes, jiggle it. Look at that shine. Period. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.
There's so many times I wonder how about you. Day and night and day. All I've got to say is, if I was your girl,